I received an email from the application team say that they need to change the password for database user immediately. This is a very simple task for DBA. So just a few minutes, I reply the email to ask them to verify the new password. I'm expecting that they will verify and send me the thank you email or something like that. However, I have received the another one. They replied the email and said something like they couldn't apply the new password to their application for something, so they need to roll back the password. First, we need to change the password to the old one because we couldn't roll back for the answer command. However, if you didn't backup the old password for this user, it should be very hard to roll back the password. We want to do something like restore database or something like that. So to make it simple and easier, we can use this command to backup the password before we change the password for any user to make sure we won't get any trouble. I will show you the demonstration how to backup the password and how to use it. For example, right here I will able to log on to the application service. With the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see I could use this password to log on to the server. So now I will backup the password for this user and change to the new one. To backup the password, we will use this command. We will query from Oracle bucket called dbms metadata, then get DDL for user, and this is the username we want to get the password. So it should get something here. To make it the full text, we can set the long value to the big number, then rerun the command. Here this command will generate the real user command. We need to store this. So you will copy and store this value into somewhere in case we need to roll back. Then I will change the password to the new one and the user. This is the username. I will change to the new password. Now the new password right here. I will try to log on with the new password. I will log on with the new password. User the new password. New password here. I will copy the new password. Put it here. And so you can see we are able to log on to the user, the application service user with the new password. Let's try with the old one. It's invalid user and password because we already changed to the new one. Right now it's not this value. So in this case, if we want to roll back to the old password to this number, if we know this value is very easy, but just in case if we don't know the password, we just backup the old password right here. We backup here, so we can use the enter command. Then we copy enter username identified by the hash value. Okay, we need to make it in one line, not 3 lines. So I use the text editor to remove the ending line to make whole this one to one line. Then I base, so this whole thing in one line. So you see, we answer with the password. We really don't know it. We just know it's a hash password. It's very long string. So now we try to connect with the old one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see we able to roll back our chain, our password chain to the old one. Even we don't need to know the old password. To summary, we need this command to extract the create user command which include the password